Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Copying an email thread in Outlook is a common task that can be done in a few different ways, depending on your specific needs. If you want to copy the entire conversation into a new document or another email message, the easiest method is to use the forward feature. Open the Outlook application on desktop and find the email thread you want to duplicate. Instead of hitting the reply button, click the forward button on the top message of the chain. This action automatically gathers every previous message in that specific thread and places them all into a single compose window. You can then click inside the body of this new email, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything, and press Ctrl+C to copy it all to your clipboard. Now you can paste it anywhere by pressing Ctrl+V. Another great method involves saving the thread as a PDF file for better organization. Go to the File menu while the thread is open and select the Print option. Choose Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer and click Print. This saves the entire conversation as one clean document. If you use the Outlook web version, the process is similar. You can select the three dots in the corner of the message and choose the Print option to see a clear view of the whole thread. From there, you can highlight the text with your mouse and copy it. These simple steps ensure you never miss any part of a conversation. It is a fast way to keep records without losing formatting.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.